Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. In my today's video, we will solve multi-step word problems with percentages. For this, let's learn how to find percentage first. First, let's learn this like 20% of 500. Okay. So very simple and easy rule for finding percentages. This percentage sign always changes into a fraction line over 100, like 20. This percentage sign will be changes into fraction line over 100. Of is changed into multiplication sign and 500 will be written as it is. Okay, when we have multiplication sign in between, we can do cancellation really easy. Bottom number will cut the top number. So bottom number is denominator and the number written above is numerator. Okay. So 2 zeros will cut these 2 zeros and 5 2 times is 10 and 1 0 will be added on. So 20% of 500 is 100. Okay, so it was the review of how to find percentages. Let's start the question. Let me read the question and then we will solve it together. A laptop originally costs $800. The store runs a weekend promotion offering a 20% discount on the laptop. The customer comes in with a special loyalty coupon that gives them an additional 10% off the already discounted price. So first we will find out 20% discount on the original price, that is 20% of 800. So percentage sign will be changed into a fraction line over 100. Of is changed into multiplication and 800 will be written as it is. Now these 2 zeros will cut these 2 zeros and 8 2 times is 16 and 0 will be added on as it is. So 160 is the discount. 20% is the discount. When something is discounted, it means we will subtract this much from the original price. Discount means less. Like this 160 was the discount, so we will subtract it from the original price. When the word increased is used, then we will increase the price, like then we will add on. So here it was discount, so we will subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0 and this will become 7, it will become 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 7 minus 1 is 6. Okay, 640. After 20% discount, the price is $640. Let's write it here. $640. Okay, after 20% discount. Here is the additional information. A customer comes with a special loyalty coupon that gives them an additional 10% off. Now let's decrease this amount 10% further. 10 percentage sign will be changes into a fraction line over 100. 10% off will be changed into multiplication and 640. Okay, this 0 will cut this 0 and this 0 will cut this 0. So it is 64 only. Right? 10% discount is 64. Now we will subtract 64 from this 640. 640 minus 64. It will become 3, it will become 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. It will 5. 13 minus 6 is 7 and 5 will get down as it is. So the final price he has to pay, the customer has to pay, the final price is $576. Okay. So what is the question written here? The question is, what is the final price of the laptop before tax? So before tax, the final price of the laptop is 576. I hope you understand this, and if you don't understand this, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, problem number 2 is the school library budget. Okay, the school library received a budget of 1500 to buy new books. He spent 40% of the budget on fiction books. So let's find out 40% of 1500. 1 minute. It is this 40% of 1500. Percentage sign will be changed into a fraction line over 100, multiply by 1500. 2 zeros will cut these 2 zeros, and now we have to multiply 15 by 40. So let's do it here. Let's do it here. 15 times 40. 0, 0, and times 4, 5 times 20. 4, 1 time 4, 5, 6. So it is 600. 600. 40% of 1500 is 600. It means that the librarian buy 600 fiction books. Okay, they spent 30%. Sorry, I said wrong. That's 600 fiction books. It's actually he spent $600 on buying fiction books. Okay, now task number 2 is they spend 30% of the remaining budget on science books. So let's find out 30% of remaining budget. So 1500 minus 600 will be 900 left. So 30% of 900 we will do. Okay, we have to do step by step because it is multi-step word problems. And if we will not do step by step or if we will miss any step, then our answer would be wrong. Okay, so percentage sign will be changed into a fraction line over 100 times 900. So these 2 zeros will cut these 2 zeros, and 9 3 times is 27, and 0 will be added on as it is. So it means they will spend $270 on science books. Okay, the rest of the money was used to buy history books. Okay, so let's find out how much money is used in buying history books. The total of 600 and 270 is 870. Okay, so let's subtract it from 1500 minus 870. It will become 4, it will become 10, 10 minus 7 is 3, and 14 minus 8 is 6. Okay, so they have used $30 on buying history books. Let me remove the extra mess from the screen. Okay, so the question is, how much money did the library spend officially on history books? So it is 630. Let's move on to problem number 3. 1 minute. Okay, the problem number 3 is the career goal. The content creator wants to reach 5,000 subscribers on their educational channel. Last month, they reached 60% of their goal. Okay, 60% of their goal means how many subscribers? Let's find out. 60%. So for percent, we will write over 100, multiply by 5,000. These 2 zeros will cut these 2 zeros, and 5 6 times 30. 5 6 times 30, and these two zeros we have to add. And it means that they reached 3,000 subscribers. Okay, next is this month their subscriber count increased by 15% compared to what they had last month. Okay, so 15% compared to what they had last month. Now we have to increase 15% of 3,000. 15%, it is, what if we go to paint page? Yes, 15% of 3,000. 15 over 100 multiplied by 3,000. These two zeros will cut these two zeros, and 15 three times. 15 plus 15 is 30, and 15 three times is 45. 45, and this zero will be added on. And if you don't understand what I did, I can do it here for you. 30 times 15. 50 times 0, 5 3 times is 15. 10 times 0, and 3 1 times 3. It is 0 here. 5, 450. So the answer is 450. 450 is here. 450. We have to increase this 450 in 3,000. So last month they got 3,000 subscribers, and this month they did 3,450 subscribers. I hope you understand this. Okay, now let's move on to problem number 4. A group of friends went out for dinner and the total food bill came $120. They had to pay an additional 8% sales tax on food bill. So what is 8% of 120? It will be 8 by 100 times 120, and this. Okay, 12 8 times. Let's find out 12 8 times. 8 2 times 16, 8 1 times 8, 9, 96. 96 by 10. 96 over 10 divided by 10. So, we can write it like this, 96 divided by 10. When we have to divide anything by 10, it's like when there is no decimal in a number, the decimal is at the end of the number. And when we have to divide it by 10, the decimal will move one place to the left. It will become 9.6. 9.6. Okay, they have to pay an additional 8% sales tax on the food bill. It is like 9.6 they have to add on their bill. Okay, 120 plus 9.6. Sorry, let's write it here. 120 plus 9.6. 9 will come here, 0.6. When there is no decimal in the number, it means decimal is at the end. So it will be 6 here, 9 here. In addition, subtraction, and division, decimal remains on its own place. So it is 129.6. Okay. After adding the tax, they left a 15% tip based on the new total food bill plus tax. Okay, 15% tip based on the total. Okay, 15% tip on 129.6. Let's remove this extra mess from the screen, and we have to find out 15% of 129.6. Now decimal is added in it, so please be careful while watching, and if you don't understand anything, you can ask me in comment section or you can watch it again. 129.6. Okay. So can I remove this decimal here, and in place of decimal I'll put 1, and the number of digits I will put a 0. It will become 1296 over 100. Sorry, over 10. Okay. Now how to solve it? How to find 15% of this? Let's do it on blank space. Let's multiply 1296 by 15. 6 times is 30, 3 carried forward. 5 9 times 45, 46, 47, 48. 5 2 times 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5 1 times 5 and 6. And times we will put here 6, 9, 2, 1 because it is multiplying by 1 only. It's 16, 8, 8, 12, 13, 14, 9, 14, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1. Okay, so after multiplying, we got 19,440. We have to divide it by 3 zeros, by 1000. So our final answer will become 1, 2, 3 zeros. We will put decimal. After 3 zeros, it will the answer will be 19.440. Okay, anything? Let me write it clearly again for you. It was 1919440. Okay, 19440. This was the answer we got after multiplying 15 by what? What was the number? Sorry. It was, let me go back. I don't know why it isn't giving me. Yes, 15 by 1296. Okay, so it was 19440 divided by 1000. 1000 has 1, 2, 3 zeros, so decimal will move 3 places to the left. 19.440. This was the tip, 19.440. The question is, what was the total amount of money paid for the dinner? It was 120 the bill and 19.440 was the tip, and 9.6 was the sales tax. 9.6 was the sales tax. Now add it up. 0 will come on its place, then 4 plus 6, 10, 1 carried forward, 9, 9, 18, 19, 2, 1, 4. And the total amount paid was 149.040. I hope you understand this, and if you don't, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.